Alright guys, what's up? And today, final video of this whole series. And well, we are having some cold here today also at my place. So, we will complete this whole video today, right? This whole playlist, this whole series. And let's just revise what we have done. Okay, well, just not revise. It's okay, not an issue. Alright, so well, get me a minute. I will just start again. Give me a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 50, 60. Alright, ready. Super. So now let's just start. I want to tell you now some things. Alright. Let me just connect to my internet. Well, let's just connect. Yeah, I know. Don't worry. Alright, fine. So let me just head down to Bootstrap. Get, got, Bootstrap. Bootstrap.com. Blah, 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 blah. Bootstrap. Let me just find for that one only. Bootstrap. Okay. And now what we need to do? We need to go to tops. Change this to 4.1 as I just told, है ना? You remember this time? Fine. Okay. So now let me just take you to some place like buttons. Buttons. Alright. So here is buttons. And see here primary, secondary, success, danger. You can just check it out all this. Okay. I just want you all to check these all out. Fine. And okay. So you know this now. It's input blah blah blah, right? So you all know this now. I'm sure, I'm pretty much sure. All right, outline, button, size. All right, now what I want you all to see, wait a minute, I need to see primary link. Where is it? Wait a minute, let me just search for ACCESS. What access key is not there? I don't know. Okay, so well, let me just leave it for now. All right. So where else we can have access key? I don't know. All right, no problem. Let's just head down to our website we just made. Yeah, I'm sorry for this thing. Okay, I forgot to start my exam today. Sorry, doing a lot of mistakes. No problem. Happens. Right, it happens sometimes. Exam. This exam. Alright, fresh. Okay, so this is what we are expecting from our website, right? This is what it is done. Okay, let me just show you some things. Here we have, let's head down to index.php. Okay, it's too small. This is too big. This is again too small. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, so now you see that we have this button named as logged in, right? Login. So what I want you all is to name one access key. Okay, I want this thing to be toggled or clicked upon when I click L. Okay, so this thing doesn't mean that if I have some L here, if I press some L, then it's not accessed. Alright, so what you need to do is you need to press Alter key on your keyboard and L both. Right, that's why. Let me just refresh and it will go ahead. Okay, we are seeing this screen, you know, because we are starting from the first place. You all know this, right? And if you want to see how does access key work in how does access key attribute work, just search for. All right, I am not connected to internet, that's why I'm just thinking the same thing, that why am I not being connected. Wait a minute. Yeah, perfect. Super. Access key blah 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 blah. All right, blah blah blah. All right, access key, how to use. Let Okay, so you can know, you know how to use all these things, how to use access key. Alright. Okay, sorry, press if else stay blah blah blah. All right, so you all know this now. You can just perform some Google searches, right? Fine, super. So for now, Okay, so you all add for this one access key. Alright, so this is the access key one done perfectly fine. Alright, now okay, even if you keep this is not the case sensitive, right? So if you keep capital L, then also it will work, no problem. See, even if I press Control L, it will go to its place. So it's not an issue, right? And I want you all to keep some different from this one. And I want you all to do some more buttons, keep some more buttons, like um, go ahead with, let's say if a person gets vaccines, right? And at that time, you need to get some idea that which vaccine were given. So right, make here if this extra money paid is filled. Okay, so it's saying that means it's required, right? So if this is 0, then what to do? Else, if this is not 0, then what to do? Okay, I want you all to research this thing out, or if you know, then please do it, and I want you all to check it. Okay, this is not like if I just want you all to try all these things, because these all things will help you in future, right? Okay, so this was one thing. Access key is done. Let me just open my sticky notes because I have got many points, actually 3 only, but for till then it will work. See, next we have bordering. All right, so uh, this time you need CSS. In this CSS, you need to head down to your form part. Okay, we will do all things in this index.php file only, because in that adaptations you have to do on all things once again. So no problem. If you want to do in any file, it's up to you. Okay. So let me just head down to this dot main interface. But it's not order sensitive, right? Not like Python. Well, Python is also a superb language to type and make your works. But these both things are really different. You can't compare them because this is web development and that is programming, right? Like maths and a lot of physics like things. Right. So, well, we have done. Border color. Border color should be kept as black. I want this thing to be kept as black. Okay. So we are there in index.php. Let's just refresh. Looking really bad. Really bad. Okay, wait a minute. What's the problem here? Uh, form. Okay, so where is it? Have we used it somewhere else? Dot form header. We have used that a form header. Okay, well we don't need this. Dot main interface. Okay, that's where we were wrong, right? We have already used this thing to work perfectly before, and this time we were bad in our designing. That's why it just gave something unusual which we don't want. Okay, we have background color. Why do we need background color? We need border color to be kept as black, not background color, right? Okay, so well, this black will not be seen in black background. So I will be changing this to red. Okay, and I will be making one more border, BOR border weight, um, border width. Better is right width, because what happens is sometimes we get something like this, but we write go for width and it takes many arguments, so we are just confused which to keep when, right? So this is better one, border dash left dash width 2vh. Okay, this is enough. Okay, you can just go ahead for top and bottom. I want you all to do things. Where is it going? Huh? What's happening, man? Happens because we only need to know learn all things. It's not like just booping up. Whoa, what happened? Complete. No. Eh, right. Alright. What's happening? Refresh this thing once. Still not there. Wait a minute. Border width. Let's just head down for that. 2BH and colon. Right. Just tell me if my background noise is too much. I will see for the next time. Alright. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah. Okay, no issue. Well, what you all do is we will just go away round. Okay, how? Wait a minute, let me just show you. Div and class to be kept as border. Fine. Okay, and where we need to close this, we need to close this here /2. Head down to home. Just think for the indentations. I am just taking care of these all indentations. It's only because I can close this from here, and I want my things to be clean, look clean. If I want to just see this thing as one whole, right? That's why I'm emphasizing on indentations and all. Okay, no problem. Not my point. Just close till this one. Class this dot border. Let's just head down dot border. Okay, now this will be, wait a minute, let's just see what happens. How does it look? Okay, so it is enclosing this whole thing. All right, all right, all right, super. At least we have got something which will work. Right. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to remove top margin from this place. Margin top. Let's just copy, cut this from this place better, and paste it down there. So we will get this to at this place. Okay. Cut this margin right and left also from this place. Where is it? Yeah, here. Cut this two also from this place and head it down and paste it down there. Okay. This is because we want this thing to be according to the last one, because we have fitted that perfectly, right? Okay. So let's just see. Okay. Now it's perfect. Now what we will do is we will border dash color, border color to be kept as red. All right, let's see what happens. So, well, it's not working. Wait a minute, let's just zoom down there. Border, is there any other option? Dash, wait for a minute, sorry for these problems, because even I am trying this for the first time. Border right width. Okay, hit one enter. Do take care of the indentations. Well, I am just trying this border width because even this border width I have tried for the first time. Right. So sorry. Let's just try once again. Let's see what happens. Let's refresh, reset. Okay. Border and right. Um, what's this? Border right is not perfect. No problem. Let's keep for 20 VH and let's see now what happens. So, well, it's not working still. So simply just search on Google now and tell me in the comments. I want you all to check this out. Alright. Next is pictures. Okay, this thing is important. Okay. Wait a minute. Let me just remove this part. Okay. So this thing is important. Pictures. So as to make our things look better. Alright. So what I want you all is to head down to Google and search for avatar images for websites. Okay, so you will get a lot many images. See here, you have got lot many images now. Okay, so I want you all to just get for yourself. Okay, and well, better is just head down to tools and see if you have any kind of usage copyrights here, because I don't want any of my person, any of my subscriber or viewer to go like and to get in any kind of trouble, right? Okay, so let's just save this image. Let's head down to our yeah, htdocs. Make one new folder, that is img images. Head down there and avatar one dot png. Remember the extension, because all right. Well, we can just go there, no problem. All right. Okay, now what you need to do is where we want this, where we want. Do we need it beside username? Do we need it beside password? I want it to appear here also and here also. Okay, so that's where what you need to do is just head down to the border one, and this is the border, right? So we will go before it, and let's type for image. It's img slash we have avatar av. Let's see the spelling better, no? avatar1 dot png. Super. Okay, so this is how you go ahead. Let's just see. Okay, so it's above. Okay, no issue. Reset. So what you need to do, simple, head down to this place and just type for, and close this now here in this place. Control X in this border part. Okay, let's see what happens now. Okay, so it is taking some space above. No problem. Dot border uh, dot border img image, and for this image I would be writing max width, max height to be kept of only 5 we will see, and we will increase or decrease. This is just a kind of random number. Max width to be kept of 5 once again. Okay, so it will be a perfect square. Let's see. Oh, it's too small, huh? All right, so let's just change this to 25. Super. Wait, let's refresh. Okay, looks fine, looks fine. Okay, now what I want is margin. Margins, same, my favorite. Margin top to be kept of 1 only, very small. Margin left, no left, it's bottom. B. Bottom to be kept of 1 only, not much. Okay, sorry. Okay, super. Just check how does it look in your and tell me. Alright, so we will reduce this top margin to some points, because what is happening is we will change this to 21st. Wait, still it's too much above. 15, save this, refresh, still too much. 10, see, refresh. Okay, so you got it perfectly. Alright, so well, you just go ahead with some another, you can go below. Alright, or even you can just keep it aside also. Just head down here, keep once again img src, you just give source once again, and it will work in your PCs. Fine. So this is where we have done for the picture. Alright, so pictures is done, access key is done, and this you all have to tell. You all have to tell. Okay, so this is your homework for today. All right, so now wait, let's just keep for some background. Cartoon images for background for hospital websites. Simply just head down there, no problem, and see what's the resolution here. Okay, so here if you have 1920 into 1720, yes, we have this one. Okay, so these are very small. So that before one was rice, no? Wait, let's just see. Simple hospital background design. Leave it. Better you just go ahead. Alright, you just go ahead and just tell me if you want all these links. I will be making for available for you in the description. Alright, just head down there and tell me if I have forgotten. Alright, so wait a minute. Background dot jpg. Alright, so if I have forgotten, then just tell me once. I will help you out easily. It's really easy. And well, if you want, then I will also be giving this clickable downloadable link. Just click on it and the download will start. Right? So I will be giving you such also, no problem. And now let me just head down to this website. So I want my background color to be white. Alright, that's because I have my background image now. background image and URL, and here you have to type img slash background dot jpg. Fine. You just head down like this and wait here and refresh. See, here you got the background pic also. Alright, let's just close for this part. And I need one more thing. That's okay. And let's just skip this. Do we have any hidden kind of attribute? Yes, we have attribute. Fine. So we want not this whole thing. Remove. Alright. No problem. Okay, fine. So here you all just got this website. Let's log in. Alright. And I want you all to get one nice background pic for this page. Alright. So you will get down there. And so, well, we have done the main, all the things which were needed. And finally, we are closing for this websites, with this website, you can say. Alright, I want you all to develop this further. And if you have any other bigger project, then just tell me, I will help you out. And even if I like it, then I will make a video. So I will enjoy, really be enjoying if you give me such kind of projects, because even I am in search of such projects. Alright. So till the next video, do take care, goodbye, see you, and be a mask.